All right, guys, how about we tear into this Cricut Maker? Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Janet. I upload weekly videos about sewing crafts and DIY projects. We're gonna dive right in. This is a Cricut Maker. I picked it up the other day from Michael's, and I'm excited because I've wanted one of these forever. I've got my box cutter, so we're just gonna open this up, see if I can get this open. This is the hard part about doing anything in like real time, and I'm pretty excited because I have a super old Cricut. It's an original like Cricut Expression that's over 10 years old, and I'm excited to have access to all of the designs in the Cricut design space because it looks super cool. Very exciting. First thing, it's this cardboard box. It says, let's get started, and I'm ready to get started, Cricut. We're just gonna pull these things out. I don't know if I should save these, you know, whatever, it's cool. I gotta say, I was surprised at how heavy this box was. My old Cricut Expression does not weigh nearly as much. This is a much larger machine. Oh boy. All right, we're gonna put the box aside in a second. Power cord, and I'm pretty excited. This one is in white. All right, pink and blue mats. I believe the pink one is for fabric and the blue one is for regular materials. In all seriousness, I'm pretty pumped about this purchase. I feel like I've been missing out on some Cricut fun. Since the Cricut originally came out, it's come a long way, and I love all the stuff you can do with it now. Again, I have a really old one, and you can't do much with it, and I love the idea of having access to a lot of fonts and being able to design my own stuff. I think that'd be really cool. I'm pretty curious to try out all that the Cricut Maker has to offer. The design possibilities seem endless. I want to design my own cut files. You can get fonts for it. I might do that membership, so we'll see. But let's get the machine actually open. I got it in champagne. Funny story, I ordered it in rose, but then I did the curbside pickup thing at Michael's. The champagne color came into my car, and I was like, this is cool because I actually wanted the champagne color more, but it wasn't in stock, so I ordered the rose, but I got the color I actually wanted instead. So sometimes things just work out. Geez, this thing really is heavy. It's gotta be like 10 pounds. I mean, I could use it for a workout routine, I suppose. Yes. So the box must come with some accessories and the blades and stuff. Materials for my first project. This seems like very user-friendly. Ooh, and it comes in an envelope to make me feel important, because that's what really matters in life. Totally loving how sleek everything is. It seems like Cricut's trying to go for that like Apple vibe with all the aesthetics. This is the rotary blade, I believe. All right, we've got a rotary blade cap, a pen, USB cord. I imagine this is to set up the machine with the design space or something like that. Warranty statement from the FCC. That's the real important stuff here, guys. The welcome book looks pretty easy to use. Nice photos, tells you how to get started. Probably have to try to set this thing up. I have no idea what I'm doing. If you guys have any helpful tips for the Cricut Maker, let me know below in the comments because I am obviously brand new to this machine. It comes with one square of fabric and a piece of like cardstock. Those of us who sew know, you know, this is just the tip of the iceberg here. I've got plenty of fabric too, but that was nice of them. Okay, and another piece of cardstock. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with these. I imagine there's some sort of project that you're supposed to do. This is a little chintzy. They could have included more. You know, this machine is not cheap, but hey, I'll take what I can get. Cricut. Before I shot this video, I really didn't do that much research into what I needed to do. Wow, how sleek looking. This looks way better than like the original Cricut Expression I had. I like that it has a little caddy for your stuff for storage. That's pretty neat. And I really agonized over this purchase for way too long, and finally I decided to do it. I'm a member of the Michael's like VIP programs. Every once in a while they send me a gift card. So I used gift cards to purchase this, and that brought the price down. Plus it was kind of on sale, although these always seem to be on sale, so I don't know if I really got that great of a deal, but here it is. And the reason I got this is because I do like to try other types of crafts, and I thought the Cricut Maker would be a good complement to my sewing and quilting and other types of stuff. I could make vinyl transfers to put on fabric or other items. It looks like you can cut fabric, so I could maybe try some of those projects out. Plus I thought you here at the Sewing Report might like to see some videos about this machine because it does seem like a lot of sewists tend to also do other types of crafts like me. We're not just one-dimensional people here. We like lots of stuff. How do I open this? Literally, I'm not even sure. Oh, here we go. Ooh, That's kind of fancy. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to get everything set up today with the design space. That's probably going to be a separate video. This is just an unboxing, sort of a first impressions of someone who's never seen a Cricut Maker before. I mean, it comes with an okay amount of accessories. I think for the price, they could have included a little bit more. It doesn't come with any vinyl. Maybe a sample pack would have been cool. And again, I got this one at Michael's. You can get these at a lot of different outlets, either in the store, like at big box stores, or online. I'm gonna link some stuff below, and for full disclosure, I am a Cricut affiliate, but Cricut has nothing to do with this video. I bought this on my own. This is not sponsored. I like doing videos on my own terms and saying whatever I want, which is what this video is. I'm impressed so far. This looks pretty cool. All right, here's a piece of styrofoam I guess I have to take out. And I believe one of the blades is in the machine already. Yeah, okay. There are a lot of other different blades and accessories you can buy. There's like a scoring wheel. There's an engraving tip. There's a knife that you can cut like balsa wood. And I'm interested in really exploring the design space, because like with the embroidery machine, it seems like there's so much stuff out there that people have already made to make things easier. I'm not much of a designer, but it looks like with the design space, you could take things like logos or designs you did and turn it into a cut file. So that seems relatively easy, easier than trying to make an embroidery file. So let's open this up a little bit. I don't know how far I'm gonna get today because I have to do a phone call with somebody later, but we'll see how far I can get with this. So I'm going to insert some footage here of me at the computer doing the setup and maybe some other footage so you can see what that's like. Okay, I'm over at my computer and I don't really know what I'm doing, so we're going to go to cricut.com/setup like it told me in the booklet, and we'll see what happens here. Design space for Windows. So I think I need to download this because I do not have this program. All right, so we're going to try to download this. I guess we'll do it here. Sure, why not? Okay. Design space is downloading, and I'm wondering if I have to hook up the Cricut at any point to do this. I'm going to assume yes, because it came with the USB connector, so we'll see what happens, but I just wanted to walk you through this process as I'm doing it myself because I have never had a Cricut Maker before, and my old Cricut Expression certainly did not have this connectivity, so this is very exciting. This looks like it's about done, I think. Looks like it's installing. Machine setup. Okay, this is probably where I'm going to have to plug it in. Select the product you want to set up, register, or update. Cricut Maker. All right, I'm probably going to blur this part out so you don't get all my personal info, so we'll see what happens here. Email Cricut ID. Do I want DIY inspo? All right, sure. All right. All right, I guess create Cricut ID. Okay, sure. Updated policies. I guess I accept this. I mean, I don't even know what the policies are. All right, here is the fun part. I guess I'll be back in a minute because I gotta set all this stuff up. Place machine 10 inches from the wall. What does that even mean? I'm not even sure. All right. I hope I don't have to keep the machine plugged in all the time because my computer is in my bedroom and this is not very convenient to where I will be using it. So I really hope this is like a one-time thing. I don't even know. But I'll be back once I get the machine. Okay. And we're back. I plugged in the machine. I think it's about 10 inches from the wall. Hopefully that's cool. I plugged it in, I connected the USB cord, and I turned it on. So let's see what happens. All right, it says, all right, looks like I cannot do that. Let's try to hit continue, see what happens. Update. Do I need an update already? All right, the machine is up to date. That's good, right? I mean, it is new. We will accept Cricut's terms and conditions. All right, let's hit next. You get a free 1-month trial to Cricut Access. I suppose I'll start the trial. I will probably end up paying for this program, so I mean, hopefully it's worth my while. I guess we'll start the trial. Oh geez, credit card info. All right, I'm gonna have to blur this out again. Sorry guys. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Why is the setup for these things always such a hassle? I don't even know. Alright. $9.99 a month. Alright, what's with all these subscriptions? I don't understand. Alright. Oh, I need my credit card. Jeez. Huh. $9.99. That's almost as expensive as freaking Netflix. Jeez. Alright, I now have unlimited access to a lot of images, fonts, and an ever-growing collection of amazing ready-to-make projects. We'll see how easy this is. Alright, I don't really want to test this out right now. Let's skip this. Yeah, I kind of don't want to do this right now. I really hope you don't have to plug it in to your computer every single time. I have an iPad, but I don't have a laptop. If there's an iPad app, I think I'll try to get that. And then we'll see if I can plug that into the Cricut, because if I have to plug it in every single time to my desktop, I'm gonna go nuts. I'm on a Windows PC, so if you don't have a Windows PC, I'm not sure what you do. But I'm gonna try to hook up the Cricut, I guess, with this. Wireless display or dock, add a device, make sure your device is on and discoverable. Maker. Alright, here we go. This looks like it's it. Enter the pin. What's the pin? I'm not even sure what this is. Alright, allegedly it's 0000. It's like Kanye West's phone password. Cool. I hope this works. Alright, my device is ready to go. Alright, so I've connected it via Bluetooth. Other devices setup incomplete. I gotta restart my computer. Alright, so I guess I'll be back because I'm gonna try to restart my computer and we'll see what happens then. Alright, so I'm looking around the design space. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even sure like what default subscription you get. I believe it's like the regular one, but it looks like if you prepay, you can get the premium membership for $9.99 a month also. So I may do that, but you do have to pay a year in advance. I mean, this looks cool. I just feel a little bit overwhelmed and I don't know what I'm doing. I'll probably try to make a project in another video, but for now, I've kind of got the machine sort of set up, so we're gonna probably leave it at that right now. Yeah, I have no idea what any of this is. I need some help, guys. If you have any tips, let me know. Wow, alright, they have some cool projects. I don't even know how to get to like the first project. I have literally no idea what is going on. I do want to order more of the tools to try out because I do feel like what was included in the box is pretty limited compared to everything it can do. I will be picking up more of that stuff. I just don't know anything, so I'm going to see if I can find some tutorials or whatever, and I'll probably be back later. Man, I do feel like this could be a potential money pit because there's so much extra stuff and accessories you can buy for the Cricut Maker. We'll see how far I get and what I feel like I need. I may down the line do a video about like what stuff I actually think you need for the Cricut Maker, because I find with some, you know, sewing stuff, I find there's stuff that people tout as being essential that I find that I don't use as much. I really want to try to help you guys save your money and spend it where it's the most important. I'm very cheap. I know some of you are cheap as well, so that's part of the reason why I do videos like this, is to share my honest thoughts about products and stuff I've tried out. But thank you guys for joining me for the unboxing of the Cricut Maker. There will be more to come, but if you're here for the sewing, don't worry, there will be lots more sewing videos. I will be occasionally mixing in a Cricut video as well because I really wanted to add this to my toolbox and I'm excited about it. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sewing Report and I've got lots of other videos here about sewing and crafts, so join me here and I welcome you. I'll see you guys next time.